Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Buick Encore GX Preferred ST. So the ST stands for Sport Touring. It's an $800 option. It's just kind of an appearance package. Chili red metallic. Car's dirty. It just came off the transport truck. Where is it? There we go. You can see, just absolutely awesome. Do love the chili red metallic. It just looks killer. Your ST badging. Buick Encore GX is based, of course, on the Opel Adam, A-D-A-M, for those of you who are curious how it's spelt. The preferred package comes with cloth seats, but it is the same car as the Opel Adam sold in Europe. 1.3-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder. Total price of $29,340. So I got an itch under the hat. Yeah, all-wheel drive. We're good. Steering nice and light. You'll hear it has a very distinct note to it. This is the platform mate to Chevrolet Trailblazer. But you'll hear it has a very, very distinct engine note, and that's due to the 3-cylinder design. Except when it shuts off and auto start stop. Then it sounds like nothing. It sounds like me talking. But as soon as you lift your foot off the brake, starts right up. Or you have to really just kind of release pressure and it will fire right up. I've also found if you go to decrease the temperature, like things are getting, if you're getting too warm in here, it will turn the engine back on to help power the air conditioning. See the needle? Just go straight into auto start stop. And as soon as I release pressure, starts right up. I do want to take a deeper dive into how auto start stop works, because it starts faster than how a car would normally start. So I'm not sure if it keeps it right on the edge of being start. I don't know how it works. So I'm definitely curious to see how it all works internally. do an acceleration here because you guys didn't get one because of, you know, instances. Alright, let's see the handling. Oh, it's so good. Then again, I've been driving Sierras all day, and then I stepped into the Encore GX, so of course it's going to handle a little bit nimbler, more nimble I should say. Very, very short wheelbase, but not as short as a Lotus Elise. Look at that. That's actually an Exige. Brake pedal. Oh, it's awesome. I'm a huge fan of this car. I definitely prefer it over the normal Encore. Same thing with the Trailblazer. I appreciate the Trailblazer over the Trax. Oops, I just punched my rearview mirror. One test I am very curious to see is any torque steer in two-wheel drive mode. None whatsoever. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.